Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So today is my last day of school, and I am done for the year. And I do not have class today, but I do need to do some pickup and things. So I wear the most comfortable outfit to do the cleaning up, packing, prepare for the next year. Yeah, that's a part of teacher thing, right? End of the school year, you pack up everything. So I want to do an outfit of the day because when I do outfit of the day, I kind of be more serious and be more comfortable and confident. Oh, look at my hair. Okay. So I kind of treating this outfit of the day as my spiritual booster. When I have the courage to face myself, to how do I say, to face myself, to face my life, and to be ready for anything that is coming, to present myself. That is a very big confident booster for me. So from time to time I do outfit of the day, and this couple of days I was not really in the mood because too many things. The end of school year, a lot of things need to be done, and I am in a rush for everything, so never had the spirit of doing it, and I think that is not right. So I am picking it up to do it again. There is a party there, so there are some cheers sound. So let's see it. Okay, let's see. So this is the very comfortable outfit. I have my little apron, and this is the last day of school. I put my glasses, my phone or something, and this one I will not need in the classroom. So last day of school for cleaning up, just like that, and so easy to move, to climb up, and to bend down, to pick up things. Everything just is so easy. And, this is the outfit of the day. So easy to move. And I'm coming to the end of school. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Gulu gulu bye bye. How do I? Okay, that is right. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. It's been a long time since our last blah 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 video, because just because of a lot of things happening. I end of school year, I cannot focus and concentrate on something that needs time, needs quietness. But now it's gone. I am finishing my school year. Today is the last day of school. Just want to chat with you in this beautiful setting. So this is a nearby garden, and used to be a private residence, and they donated as a public garden for public use. From time to time, when I feel a little bit needing a quietness, this is right in the middle of the downtown almost, and there is this piece of a quiet place. Sometimes they rent out for public event, private event, and sorry, and sometimes it's just myself coming here and have a moment of quietness. I feel I so need it, especially at this time, and so many things happening around us, in front of us, and just on our back, anything, everything, too many things. And sometimes it's quite stressful, and sometimes you cannot escape any of this. It's on television, it's in the news, it's in your social media feed, it's everywhere. It's hard to escape. So this couple of days I picked up origami, and yesterday it's my last art class, last day of art class, and I decide just have a fun, an art party. So some students do origami, some students do watercolor, some students do drawing. Each one have their own things, and I am just into origami. So some students does origami, some students does this and that, and as I am in the heat of my origami frenzy, so I made a new box, 24 pieces, and it's a simple and easy things. Please, thank you. It's not so simple, but once you have done a lot of these, you become familiar, or you become comfortable with the procedure, with the logic, with the system. And there is even another class came here because I have a lot of origami bowls and this and that, and they have seen it, students seen it and want to do it. So the teacher brought the students from other class coming here, and it's so fun, it's so good, and they are so, yeah, it's lovely. Sometimes you have these you are always have the same students, but suddenly have a new change. You see the other class dynamic energy, just so lovely. We had a good blast, and also I learned a new method, and I can start to see the students when they do this modular origami, and some are just so, how do I say, so understanding, so logical. So it makes it so much easier when they use that part of logical thinking. And yeah, each one is different. Each one is different. You see their strengths, and I'm just so happy and so lost. There are people around, and I feel a little bit embarrassed to talk. Anyway, um, you have a, oh, why they are all black and white? Is that something that is a black and white party? Yeah. You have a beautiful, beautiful day. You have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Gulu, gulu. Bye, yeah, bye.